and today I'm doing an autocomplete interview. Obviously this is just a parody because I'm like not famous enough at all to do this. So I had my assistants put this together and I'm going to answer some of the web's most Googled questions about me. So are you ready? Here we go. Alrighty, numero uno. Why is Amber Scholl famous? I have no idea. Why are you guys watching this? I don't know. Yeah, you guys watch my YouTube videos. It all started with how to make cheap clothes look expensive and the rest was history. So now you're watching this video today. Crazy. Does Amber Scholl have a job? Yes. Well, no. I don't know. YouTube is actually my full-time job now, believe it or not. So yeah, I wake up every day and get to make videos like this for you guys. Now's my chance to say you actually don't need math, kids. All you need is a couple of shoes for a big career on the internet. I'm kidding, stay in school. School is very important. Okay, anyways, next question. This is really kind of shifty. Can you tell this is not the real video? No, this is very professional, of course, just like all my content. Anyways, is Amber Scholl addicted to shopping? Y'all really Google that? I'm not gonna lie, I have Googled whether or not I am addicted to shopping before. Anyways, yeah, no, it turns out I'm not. I am not actually like clinically addicted to shopping, though I must say I do really, really love it. So I guess that's the tea on that. Is Amber Scholl related to Dr. Scholl's? No! Okay, I actually get asked this a lot. No, I'm not related to Dr. Scholl's, though that would be funny because he's like a shoe guy, but yeah, no relation. If there was a relation, I probably would have never started making videos about being broke. Is Amber Scholl's voice real? Yeah. No. Okay, yeah, I do have a very unique voice. I do get asked about it a lot. I have various tones and voices that I can do. I have my like soothing ASMR voice that you guys hear on Instagram a lot. But yeah, my actual normal voice is basically this, so I have more inflection in it, I guess. But yeah, I do talk like this when I'm excited, and I'm always excited when I'm filming my videos. So, yep, it's my voice. Hello, hello, hello. Hi, guys. Anyways, does Amber Scholl have a sugar daddy? Yes, myself. I know it's kind of supposed to be an insult, but I actually always take this as a compliment because it just means I'm well dressed, but honestly, also probably something to do with I made a video called My Sugar Daddy Died, but that was all just a joke. Yeah, I don't have a sugar daddy. It's 2020, be your own sugar daddy. New board, who dis? Okay, anyways. Is Amber Scholl Australian? No, but I wish I was. I just really love doing accents. I do British accents, I do Australian accents, I do accents all the time. I'm always changing my voice, but no, I am German and Russian and I live in LA. But I do love Australian men, so if you're out there, give me a ring. Okay.
P.S. You guys, I filmed this before the widespread news of the wildfires, but there is a link to donate in the video description if you guys want to help.
Does Amber Scholl really buy everything in her videos? Yes, I do actually buy everything in my videos. Everything I show in the hauls, I did actually purchase and I do keep, which is why I literally have like clothes in my kitchen cabinet. So, anyways, where is Amber Scholl's house? Not gonna lie, that's a little creepy, but yeah. I live in an apartment in Los Angeles, and that is all the information I'm gonna say on the internet. Does Amber Scholl know Kylie Jenner? No. I wish I knew Kylie Jenner, what a flex. No, but I have met her actually in college, like before they were really that famous. I went to a party with her, Kendall, and if anyone remembers who Lil Twist is, yeah, this was like my junior year of college. But yeah, they would have literally no idea who I am now and would definitely not remember that, but nice girls. Is Amber Scholl nice in real life? No, I'm a bitch. I wouldn't hurt a fly. Like, I honestly go out of my way to be extra nice to everyone just because why not make the world a little brighter, you know? Love, light, happiness always. Mwah. Does Amber Scholl write her own tweets? Wow, you really think someone else writes them? I'm flattered. Yes, I do write all my own tweets. They're literally just my random thoughts 24/7 without a filter. So yes, I do write them all myself. That's why I have to delete some of them. This is fun, I feel like I'm a celebrity. Okay. Is Amber Scholl married? No, thank God. In fact, I'm notoriously single, but honestly, I like it that way. You guys always ask if I'm not dating. Just because I don't have an official boyfriend doesn't mean I'm not dating. I go on dates all the time. I just don't really talk about it that much. And I mean, you guys know I don't have an official boyfriend, but I do have lots of boyfriends. So you know how that goes. I'm kidding, kind of, not really. Okay, anyways, next question. Oh, I just broke the whole board. Like I said, clearly a parody. All right, is Amber Scholl rich? Yeah. You guys know this, I did start out making broke bitch tip videos, and yeah, no, I'm not a broke bitch anymore, so. Independent, self-sufficient, boss-ass bitch. 100% all thanks to you guys, though, of course. I couldn't do literally anything I do without you, so thank you. They do it so glamorously in the real video, but I'm just like really ripping paper off of here. So, what does this even say? I don't know. Did Amber Scholl really drive for Postmates? Yes, I did. I drove for Postmates before I did YouTube for about a year. It was actually my full-time job. So, if a girl in rhinestone shoes and a really loud voice ever delivered you a sandwich at 2 a.m., yes, that probably was me. Does Amber Scholl have a boob job? I'm always so flattered by this question, but no, I don't. These are homegrown, all natural, 34 double D. Yes, ma'am. I'm proud of that. Got it from my mama. Okay. What breed? What breed is Amber Scholl's dog? Pumpkin! He's actually here. George! George, come here, baby. This is my honey bear, Sir George Biscuit. I love you. I have no idea what breed he is, honestly. He's just a supermodel. I don't know, he's a rescue. They think he might be an Aussie Shepherd Pom something. I really don't know. I've had a DNA kit that I overnighted from Amazon for like a year and a half that I still haven't done yet. But you know, I'll do it eventually. Can Amber Scholl sing? No. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Oh, a whole new world. I actually auditioned for The Voice once because my friend wanted to audition. So somewhere out there that tape exists, but we're gonna hope no one ever finds it. Yeah, no, I can't. There's a reason I'm not a singer. Can Amber Scholl dance? About as well as I can sing. Was Amber Scholl on Disney Channel? Yes, I was actually the star of Lizzie McGuire. It actually was not Hilary Duff all these years, it was me. Obviously, I'm kidding, but I was actually on Disney Channel once. I used to do background acting, and I had a little featured extra role where I was on Austin and Ally one episode. So if you ever see me doing that or any other random show, I've also been on New Girl and Criminal Minds and a couple of other things. But yes, people ask me this literally all the time, and it was, in fact, me. Hey guys, it's Amber, and you're watching Disney Channel. Bum, 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 bum. I've always wanted to do that. What does Amber Scholl do if she's not shopping? Shop online. Obviously, I do have other hobbies. I love to hang out with my friends. My sister does comedy, so I go to a lot of comedy shows. I love going to the movies. And honestly, what I like most of all is just sitting at my house and doing literally nothing. I'm actually quite boring and really not that interesting. So again, thank you for watching. I'm flattered. Was Amber Scholl in the Olympics? No. Oh, okay, so I'm assuming this is probably about ice skating. If you saw my ice skating video, yes, I used to be a figure skater, so I was never like good enough to go to the Olympics or anything, but yeah, I have been to Tokyo and the Olympics are gonna be in Tokyo, so that doesn't count, but Tokyo's amazing, you should go visit it. Does Amber Scholl have kids? Nope, thank God. No kids, just my fur baby George. That's it for now. And not just for now, for like a while. I think maybe in like 10 years I'll have kids, I don't know, we'll see. What music does Amber Scholl like? I love all kinds of music, but most of all, I love musicians. Hey, any of you out there, slide into the DMs. But yeah, I don't know. I listen to all sorts of different kinds of music. My favorite kind is oldies. I love Frank Sinatra, Dean Martin, Bing Crosby. That's honestly what I listen to most of all. But you know, I'm like a hoe for pop music too. I love it. Justin Bieber, Ariana Grande, you know, whatever's playing on the top 40. I love it. I'm such a basic bitch. Is Amber Scholl a diva? I'm not answering that. I don't feel like it today. I am very, very extra and very over the top, but honestly, like, I grew up with a farm in my backyard and like don't mind getting down and dirty and that sounded weird, but you know what I mean. I'm gonna edit that out. Or not, I don't know. Okay, next board. How many shoes? Okay, this is gonna be a good one. I'm assuming this says, how many shoes? Yes, does Amber Scholl own? Never enough, that's how many. This one's mean already. I'm already offended. What is this gonna be? What is wrong with Amber Scholl's? What is wrong with Amber Scholl's eyebrows? Okay, so yes, if you've been watching me for a long time, you know my eyebrows have lived many lives. Way back when, you know, they used to look like this, and then they looked like this, and then I honestly change them all the time, but currently, I actually shaved off my eyebrows for a video, and currently they are shaved off and drawn on, so if I were to like rub my eyebrow, they would literally disappear and I would only have half an eyebrow. So yeah, that is what's wrong with them. If you're the kind of person who Googles that. Honestly, that's really funny. I can't believe anyone has time for this. But yeah, that's what's wrong with my eyebrows. I don't know, I think they look kind of cute now, but catch me in 2 years laughing about them right now. So that's the joy of living. You grow up, you live, you learn, and you make lots of eyebrow mistakes. Did Amber Scholl go to college? Yes, she did. She has a bachelor's degree in broadcast journalism from Pepperdine University. She got a 4.0. She's smart. What is Amber Scholl's diet? Oh, it's a mess. I am a vegetarian. I talk about that a lot, so I don't eat meat, but that doesn't mean I eat particularly healthy. Honestly, I love croissants. You guys see me eat those all the time on my story, and ice cream is my favorite food, as well as avocados. And I'm also addicted to matcha lattes. Just for future reference, my Starbucks order, in case anyone needs to know, is a venti iced matcha latte with soy milk and easy ice. Woo! I'm addicted. I have one every day. I accidentally like opened 2 of them, so I'm gonna put that back. Does Amber Scholl have tattoos? Nope, I don't. I love tattoos on guys, but yeah, I don't have any tattoos. I just am like indecisive and I never knew what to get. Where does Amber Scholl buy her clothes? I mean, you guys see me do all my shopping vlogs, so you kind of know the answer, but yeah, I get a lot of stuff on Amazon. I really like Shein, Misguided, Pretty Little Thing. Thrift stores are my favorite. The Real, yeah. I could make 500 videos about that, and honestly, I already have. So if you want to check them out, plug for my channel. But yeah, that's where I get my clothes. And that is the last board, so yeah, there you go. That was me answering the web's most searched questions about myself. That was weird. I cannot believe anyone has ever Googled me. That's crazy, but thank you. Thank you for Googling, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Oh my God, this is so funny. If I take this off, I look totally naked. Ooh, is that gonna make you subscribe? No? Okay. Anyways, I love you. Till next time, XO. Alrighty. Woo! Oops. All right, anyways, that's a wrap. Mwah.